Hey everyone, so you have got this awesome online store on Big Cartel, but you are not feeling that powered by Big Cartel text at the bottom. It's a common thing, right? Let's dive into how can you remove it. Here you can see their monthly and yearly subscription, but I'm logging into free one which will navigate you to the Big Cartel account section. Now select account on your top right corner, then scroll down a little bit and you will see shop design. Select on go to shop design. Now you will see option code. Now you will see option code. Click on it and click on CSS. Here you will get to edit CSS. Go to the photo section and remove grid and type N. Then they will offer you lots of options to enter. You will select none. Mine won't change because I opened account with free version. If you purchase platinum or diamond version, that's how you will be able to remove powered by Cartel. Thanks for watching.